everyone. It's nice to see you again.
Hi, Lily. What are we making today?
Today we are making Choco-Banana Oat Cookies with no need for an oven.
Yay, Mommy! I can't wait. What ingredients do we need?
We will need 2 ripe bananas,
2 cups of rolled oats,
a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, a 1/4 cup of maple syrup, 1/2 cup of peanut butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract,
and a pinch of salt.
And if we want, we can add some chocolate chips or raisins.
Let's get started.
First, we peel the bananas.
Then we mash it well with a fork.
Remember, everyone, bananas are really good for your tummies, your muscles, and your brain.
Now we add the maple syrup.
Lily, did you know that maple syrup is an antioxidant and a very good alternative to sugar?
Now, the cocoa powder, Mommy.
Cocoa powder helps your memory, Lily, and also makes me very happy.
Now it's the time for the peanut butter. I love peanut butter. It is so creamy, Mommy.
Time to add the oats and the vanilla.
Oats is what I love for my tummy, Lily. It is full of fibers, so good for our digestion.
Well, I think we have all we need. Now, let's mix all the ingredients together until we get a doughy consistency.
Here it is. It looks perfect, Lily. Good job.
Now the fun part begins. Time to make our cookies.
I have many different molds, Lily. We can create many different shapes.
This is my favorite part, Tofu.
I want to help too, Lily. I want to make many cookies. Look, Lily, they are perfect.
Now we put them in the fridge for at least 30 minutes to get cold and firm. They are ready!
Yes, they are, Lily. They look really good.
Wonderful, Lily. Let's eat.
One for Mommy, one for Tofu, and one for me. They taste delicious, Mommy.
You are right, Lily. They are really yummy. And if we add a lovely cup of almond milk, even better.
You are right, Tofu.
Okay, everyone, enjoy your cookies.
Thank you for watching us.
And if you want, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
See you next time.
Bye!